Hello guys, today I'm sharing with you the best tres leches cake recipe. Let's start by making the sponge cake. In a mixing bowl, add 6 eggs and 210 grams of sugar. Place the bowl over boiling water and mix until all the sugar dissolves. It takes around 1 minute. Then whip the eggs in a medium-high speed for around 4 to 6 minutes. It should look like this. Then whip in the lowest speed for 1 minute to remove all the big air bubbles. Now add 195 grams of sifted flour. Sift the flour twice for better results. Fold in the flour until you don't see any more flour. It took me around 3 minutes. Then put together 30 grams of milk, 60 grams of oil, half teaspoon of vanilla, and add to that some of the batter and mix well before adding it all to the batter. Then fold this very well. It took me around 3 minutes. Pour the batter into an 11 by 15 rectangle pan. Bake in a preheated oven for 20 to 25 minutes. While the cake is still warm, poke some holes. In a bowl, add 2 cups of warm milk, and 1 can of condensed milk. Pour this over the warm cake and put it in the fridge for 2 hours. Then whip some whipping cream. And add it on top. Decorate the top with dulce de leche. If you would like to make a smaller version of this tres leches cake, I have written the recipe for 3 different sizes in the description below. And I also added the measurements in cups. You can enjoy this right away, but it's even better when you leave it overnight in the fridge. If you like this recipe, please like and subscribe.